Tired of messy circle or club line in your note? With Samsung Note on your Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can use Auto Fix It to instantly clean them up. To do so, open Samsung Note app and then tap Create New Note icon to create a new note. Remove your S Pen. At the bottom, swipe through the toolbar until you find the Auto Fix It icon. And then tap it to activate it. Now, try drawing a shape like a circle, triangle, square, or else. As you can see, as soon as you leave your S Pen, your phone will automatically correct the shape and make it look smooth and clean. It's perfect for sketches, diagram, and neat note taking. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.